Hi guys, welcome to my channel, the Telangana Girl Hustle Bustle. Today I have come up with few items that I have got from my recent shopping. So let's start with the video. First, let me start with a couple of shoes that I ordered from Tata Click website. So this is the first pair of shoes that I have ordered. This is a grey color with stonework on this, and this has got little heel like this. So this is how they look. It's in grey color with detailing of stonework on this on a netted cloth. This is how they look. The next pair of wedges that I got is in this beautiful black color with white pearl work on top of it. So this is how they look. It has black velvet cloth on this and the wedge like this. I ordered this from Tata Click website and they are of the brand Luna Blue, which is a Westside in-house brand for their footwear. This is how they look. Next I am going to show you a mini IKEA haul that I got recently from the IKEA website. So I ordered these products from IKEA and I picked collect at store option, which they charge around 199 rupees extra. So the first product that I am going to show you from the IKEA is the set of 6 glasses. These are priced at 99 rupees and we get a set of 6 glasses in this. Let me show you how the glasses look like. The name of this glasses is Reco. So we get 6 glasses of these at 99 rupees. The next product I picked up is the spray bottle. This is priced at 99 rupees. They have various colors in this like sky blue, pink and white. So I picked up white color. This can be used for spraying water to the plants. Next, under the same price 99, I picked up a set of bowls. This is one of the best picks from IKEA. I got these earlier also and this time also I ordered this cups. We get a set of 6 cups in this and I got a couple of them. This can be used to have your fruits, desserts, etc. In the same 99 range, I also got the set of 6 plates and glasses. So this comes as a set, each of 99. This is how they look. Next product that I got is this alarm clock. This is priced at 450 rupees. I got this in white color. This is one of the most white product from IKEA. This is how it looks. The next small product that I got from IKEA is this set of 3 scrubbing pads. This comes in green and orange color. I got these earlier also and this is very easy to use in the kitchens. This is how it looks. The next set I got is this set of 3 microfiber cloths. This can be used to clean your fridges, kitchen and for your cars as well. I think this is priced at around 99 rupees. I got a couple of them. This is how they look. The microfiber cloths. These are of very good quality. Next product I have is this wall hangers. This can be used to hang your clothes and your headphones, etc. This also comes with the screws. This is also one of the good buys in IKEA. I got 3 of them. This is how they look. In the similar range, I got this less weight capable hooks. So these can be used to put your charging cables, towels, etc. near your workplace. This comes in a set of 3 pieces and it's priced at 89 rupees. I got a couple of these hooks. I'll share the links of all these products in the below description if you are interested to buy. Next I got couple of pot pourris. These can be used as room fresheners in your cars or you can keep them in bowls and place it in the corners of your houses. I got different flavors of this. This is a cotton one. I got strawberry and raspberry combo. I got blueberries lavender combo. I got couple of these. Let me show you the flavors that I got. So these are the different flavors of pot pourris that I got. These are of the variant Dofta. The blueberries, raspberry, choco. These are priced at around 59 rupees each. This is the mini IKEA haul that I got recently from the Hyderabad store. And this is the footwear that I ordered from Westside Tata Click site. I'll leave the link of all these products in the description box. that's it for my today's video, guys. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to Telangana Girl Hustle Bustle. Spread smiles, stay positive.